everybody, welcome to today's skill drill. This is where we're going to work on one thing and one thing only. But first, if you would like to see more videos like this one, song tutorials, DIYs, unboxings, and subscribe to this channel. Alrighty, let's get started. Grab your uke and with your middle finger, put that on the 4th fret of the string closest to your face. We're on the 4th fret. Now what you're gonna do, just the middle finger, is pivot or swivel this part of the hand inwards. So notice how it's like touching over here. Now you've made room for your ring and your pinky to fit next to it. So the problem I see with a lot of people who want to play E chord is that the middle finger is parallel, and so these fingers don't fit and that frustrates them. But they're missing that part. They're missing the swivel, bringing the hand in. That all of a sudden makes room for those two other fingers. So now we have these 3 fingers, they're fitting. Add your index finger on the 2nd fret of the string furthest from your face. If this doesn't fit, you need to open your hand. So it might be that your hand is shut. So don't shut, open. And the way to open is to play with the tip of the finger, the part that's right next to the nail. So right next to the nail. Think about nailing into the fingerboard, not across. Nailing into the fingerboard. Go back, middle finger on the 4th fret. Tuck the other fingers behind it. And then the fingernail, almost, on the 2nd fret. Now try it. Strum. Okay, now let go. All that hard work. Now let's do it again. Middle finger, swivel up, ring, pinky, index. Okay, let go. And the reason why we're doing this let go is we're training muscle memory. We just have to repeat it. You know, listen, there's no way around it. If it was easy, everyone would do it. Okay, go back, 4th fret, middle finger, swivel up, ring and pinky, and add the index on the fingernail, almost on the fingernail. And one last time, let go. You've got this. Remember, just practice it every day, morning and night. You'll get it. You'll get it. Okay, 4th fret, middle finger, swivel this part in, ring, pinky, index. Try it. And just in case you're curious, my thumb is kind of an extension of my hand. So it's not like up in a weird way, it's just an extension of my hand. And it's like helping me to squeeze and support on that E chord. It's not easy. It's not easy, I know it's not easy, but we gotta build the skill and the muscle memory. Okay, one last time just for fun, if this is fun. Okay, middle finger on the 4th fret, swivel this part in, ring and pinky, fingernail on the tip. If you have the strength for it, hold it for a little while before you let go. And then let go. And that'll help you with grip and strength on your chord hand. If you would like to see more videos like this one, DIYs, and all kinds of other fun stuff, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching and practicing your ukulele with me. I'll see you on the next one. Sayonara!